Let me share with you an interesting tip on how to find out pages that have high user interactivity with your visitors. Your visitors absolutely love these pages. Once you find this, you can create more of such pages for your users. Just take a look. This tip is to find the best performing pages from the website and create more of the same. Let's see how to do it. Let's go to the behavior report and select site content to view all the pages. Let's select a very wide date range. We now see the top pages by the number of views. However, we want to find out the pages that people find more interesting and engaging. Hence, we click on the comparison option. From the drop-down menu, we select average time on page. The pages with a broader green bar are the pages that users are spending the most time on or find most interesting. Identify what these pages are about. The topic, the content, the images of such pages. And then create more pages around the same theme. Your visitors will love the additional content and will give the website more engaging traffic. Overall, this step is a win-win scenario from an SEO perspective.